YouTube, your girl Marcy to be here 3 packs into a crochet braid installation of the new sensational Lulutress Ocean Wave 8 inches. I've opened up the 4th pack. Each pack contains 2 bundles of 20 strands each pre-looped for a total of 40 pre-looped strands. This hair is a little slippery, slidey, plasticky. So you can see in the video the method I'm using. I'm going to loop it once and then take 2 small strands and tie those off about 4 to 5 good times. YouTube, your girl Marcita B. Monroe here, ready for my close-up, Mr. DeVille, with the completed look of the Lulutress Ocean Wave 8 inches in color T1B613. I ended up using 3.5 packs of this hair. I could probably go ahead and fill in some spots with that one little bundle that I have left, but honestly don't know if I'm gonna keep this hair in or not. Not sure what they might think about this hair at my little temp job tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to give that some thought. Let me know what you think, YouTube. It is a high-end kind of upscale real estate agency where I am the temporary afternoon receptionist, and I am trying to make that a permanent part-time little gig, so not sure if they're ready for prime time with this hair. Let me know what you think. Some things I like about the hair. Definitely like the length, and the ocean wave curl pattern is always a winner. And like that it does come in ombre colors. Some things I don't like about the hair: it is not easy to work with. Definitely not. It is a little on the slippery, silky, plasticky side, if that makes any sense to you. Then the other thing I don't like about this hair is that it does shed a little bit, more than I would like. Possibly it's just this color. A lot of times you have more issues with the lighter colors and the darker colors. And last thing that I didn't like is that, of course, I oil my scalp and natural hair at night and massage my scalp with my essential oils, and of course that's gonna get on your synthetic hair too. It made this hair like really limp. So you are able to use a Denman brush on this hair, which I did, and brushed it, and you can even tease this hair to bring back a little bit of the fullness. But those are my pros and cons, YouTube. That will do it for this crochet braids installation review, YouTube. Now, like I said, I'm not even sure if I'm going to leave this hair in. With this color, I probably should have made a crochet wig instead, to have the option to put it on and take it off as needed, but I was feeling a little bold and thinking, with the right accessories and wardrobe, I can probably pull it off. But you know, now that I got the hair in, I'm like having second thoughts. But anyway, again, let me know what you think, YouTube. questions, comments, you know what to do. Leave those down below. I'll get right back at you. And before I go, if you haven't seen already, I have a brand new YouTube channel called Marcita B Amazon Addict, because I shop on Amazon all the time, and I thought it would be a good idea to share with you some of the deals, steals, and just plain old stupid crazy stuff that I find on Amazon. So I'm placing a link to that channel in the description box as well. Please check it out and support me in that endeavor. Marcita B is out right now, YouTube, but please stay tuned to my channel because I will be back later in the week with a new video, so stay tuned for that. Until then, thank you so very much for watching. I do truly appreciate you. I'm gone right now, but you know what I always say before I leave. You be safe and take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.